Hey guys, assalamualaikum and welcome again sa Amer TV. So ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon ay kung paano natin matransfer yung pera natin from PayMaya account to GCash account. So madali lang guys. So first, i-open lang natin itong ating PayMaya account, yung Maya account, Maya application. Okay, so ayan. Then biometric lang tayo guys. Okay. So X lang natin ito. Ayan. Okay, so as you can see, meron tayong 100 pesos. So, ngayon, ito transfer natin dun sa ating GCash account. Okay. So, dito tayo sa bank transfer. Dito sa pinakagilid. Ayan. So, bank transfer tayo, guys. So, hanapin natin dito yung GCash. Okay. So, ito. G-Exchange Incorporated or GCash. Ayan. So, ilalagay natin yung amount guys kung magkano yung ipapadala natin. So, let's say 75. Okay. So, purpose. So, allowance. So, this is sample only guys. Gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo kung paano mag-transfer. Okay. So, ilagay natin yung registered GCash number natin. Okay, so paki-double check yan guys. Then yung ating complete name. Ayan. Okay. So, i-review natin guys kung tama na ba yung number natin. Okay. So, pag na-review natin guys, so continue lang. Okay, so ayan. So, naging 90 pesos kasi meron siyang transaction fee na 15 pesos. So, with a total of 90 pesos. Okay, so i-double check natin kung tama na ba. Then, dito tayo ngayon sa transfer now. Okay, so wait natin yung one-time PIN dito sa ating registered number. Okay, so ayan, wait lang natin. Okay, so yun na, generated na siya guys. So, verify lang natin. Okay, so ayan, you are almost there. So, done lang natin. We're now processing this bank transfer to bank account ending. Ayan. Then, done lang natin. Okay, so as you can see, nabawasan yung balance natin. So, naging 10 pesos na lang. Okay, so makikita natin dito sa transaction. So, ayan, minus 75. Okay. So, ayan yung transaction natin bago lang. So, just now. So, ayan na. Na-transfer na natin guys yung 75 pesos dun sa ating GCash account. Okay? So, ngayon, ang gagawin natin guys is check natin kung dumating na ba dun sa ating GCash account. Okay? So, open natin yung GCash natin. So, hanapin natin yung GCash account natin. Ayan. Okay, so wait lang. So, mag-login lang tayo. Okay. So, ayan. So, 79. So, may balance kasi ako na 4 pesos. So, naging 79. So, para ma-check natin kung dumating na ba talaga. So, dito tayo sa transaction. Okay. So, wait lang natin dito sa transaction. So, inbox. Try natin dito sa inbox. Okay, so ayan. GCash funds received 1 minute ago. So, you have received 75 pesos. Ayan. Okay, so you have received 75 pesos of GCash from PayMaya Philippines Incorporated. Okay, so ayan na guys. So, nasend na natin. And then, dumating na sa ating GCash account. Okay, so ganun lang kadali guys. So, I hope nakatulong ito sa inyo. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to Amer TV for the latest videos na aking i-upload. Sukran and wassalam.